If you've ever wondered how you could be taking better car photos with just your smartphone, then this video is just for you. Today I'm going to be showing you my 5 hacks using only this that will take your car photography game to the next level. If we are just meeting for the first time, my name is Cyrus and I have been shooting photos of my cars for 2 years, and over that course of time I've developed a lot of tips and strategies for me to get the best results possible. There's an idea kind of circulating around that you need really expensive gear and really expensive camera to get the results that you see while scrolling Instagram, but the truth of the matter is that you could get really great results using the camera that comes with your smartphone. This video today is going to show you my 5 hacks that I like to use when I'm using only a smartphone for shooting cars. So we're going to go ahead and meet up with my boy Ray, and then we'll get right into it. Alright, so the first hack that I have for you guys today is to download a manual exposure app and shoot with that versus shooting with just the regular camera app that comes on your device. I'm using an Apple iPhone, so I went to the App Store and I was able to find an app called RAW Plus, and this allows me to adjust my ISO and my shutter speed, and that gets me to develop a nice, even consistent look while I'm shooting. Using a manual exposure app will also set an amazing foundation for if you ever wanted to take the jump to upgrading your camera to a more professional grade camera. Now moving on to hack number 2, you're going to want to start using one of these. What this is a circular polarizing filter, and essentially it cuts down on a large majority of the reflections that are going to be shown in your shot. Your car is basically a giant mirror, so getting one of these is very crucial for cutting down all the reflections that are going to be shown. So the way that you're going to use this polarizing filter is you're going to hold it directly in front of your camera like this. And if you hold this polarizing filter, it turns like a dial, and you're going to adjust it until you see the reflections in your photo start to disappear. So hack number 3 often gets overlooked, and it's going to be just to change your angle around. You're going to want to shoot up high, shoot down low, and shoot behind objects to establish a sense of foreground, and you will notice the difference in your photos almost instantly. So tip number 4 is going to be to avoid harsh lighting. It is always a good idea to shoot in shaded areas or on cloudy days to avoid overexposing your images. It is also a good idea to shoot during golden hour, which is basically sunrise and sunset, and that's going to get you a nice even lighting on your car, as well as that super warm tone. So the 5th and final hack that I have for you guys today is going to have to do with editing. Since we are shooting on our phone, we need to edit on our phone, and the best app for us to use is going to be Adobe Lightroom. Adobe Lightroom is a free app on iOS devices, and I assume that it's going to be free for Android as well, and it allows you to edit like the pros. First step that you're going to want to do is import your photos and then immediately crop it to a 4:5 scale if you're going to be using this photo on Instagram. Next, you're just going to chuck an edit on it, and then go ahead and export, and when you export you want to make sure the settings are set to the long edge being 1350 pixels. These are the exact crop and export settings that I use on all my photos when I'm uploading to Instagram, and I've had amazing results with them so far. So try them out and let me know how they work for you. I hope this video provided you guys with a ton of good quality content so you could get started on shooting cars. If you use any of these 5 hacks in some of your photos, go ahead and tag me on Instagram at SubiCyrus, because I would love to see what you guys come up with. If you enjoy my videos, be sure to subscribe and share them around with your friends. And with all that being said, that's going to be the end of this video.